Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. Good evening, yes. In the puzzle page of Saturday, May the 13th. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 2 stars Sudoku, yeah. It's not quite right, the 3 stars, no, it's a 2 stars. I've solved the killer Sudoku, so two puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary puzzle. Yes, the binary puzzle number. This will be number 6430. And it's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means, oh, by the way, before I start, I always count on printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Yeah. It's a 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. All right. So let's get started. Let me start with O. Double O, here one, there one. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So let's start O's. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are ones, double one, here no, there no. Between two O's. Oh wait, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then, yeah. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Wait. Now, between two ones comes an O. Okay. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1 then. Double one, here no, there no. Okay. 4 O's we have here. I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So those 2 boxes should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes. Between there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, and O, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. And an O. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. That box should be a 1. Yeah. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Yeah. Now, this will be complicated because I need to compare for the first time. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2. No. Compare, no. We have a double O here. Here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So that's the O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. And double one, here no, there no. Finish in 5 minutes. Yes. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.